If you're not making money with AI by now, you're leaving some serious cash on the table. AI is exploding in 2025, but most beginners are still overwhelmed. They think it's too complicated, too technical, or just not for them. The truth? While you're hesitating, everyday people, students, stay-at-home parents, 9-to-5ers are quietly stacking extra income using simple AI tools. And no, they're not coding. They're using AI to create, sell, and scale online. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 beginner-friendly ways to make money with AI right now. No technical background needed, no startup capital, no fluff, just real strategies working today in 2025. In an era where technology is rapidly evolving, leveraging AI for income generation is not just a trend, it's become a necessity for those looking to stay competitive. The landscape of work is changing, and AI is at the forefront of this transformation, offering unique opportunities for entrepreneurs and individuals alike. By understanding and utilizing AI tools, beginners can tap into the wealth of possibilities that were previously unimaginable. Throughout this video, we'll be breaking down each of the 5 methods, providing practical examples and actionable steps that you can take and start their journey making money with AI today. From creating AI-driven content to developing applications that solve real-world problems, the potential is vast. On top of that, I want to express the importance of staying informed about the latest advancements in the AI technology, as this knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions and adapt your strategies accordingly. Remember, the future is bright for those who are willing to embrace change and innovation. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to use and leverage AI to generate income and the confidence to embark on your own AI-driven ventures. Let's jump right in. Number 1, designing YouTube thumbnails using AI tools, presenting an exciting opportunity for creators and entrepreneurs alike. High-converting thumbnails are crucial for attracting viewers and increasing click-through rates. And with the help of AI tools like Midjourney and Canva AI, creating eye-catching design has never been easier. These platforms allow users to generate stunning visuals quickly, enabling you to focus on crafting compelling content. To create effective thumbnails, start by utilizing Midjourney to generate unique images based on your video's theme. This AI tool can produce high-quality graphics that stand out in a crowded space. Once you have your image, you can use Canva AI to enhance them further, adding text, filters, and other design elements that align with your brand. The combination of these tools can significantly reduce the time and effort required to produce professional-looking thumbnails. When considering the cost and the effort involved in thumbnail design, it's important to note that both Midjourney and Canva offer free versions with premium features available for subscription fees. This makes it accessible for beginners and those on a budget. The effort required primarily involves learning how to use these tools effectively, which can be achieved through online tutorials and practice. As for the potential earnings, skilled thumbnail designers can charge anywhere from $5 to $50 per thumbnail, depending on their experience and the complexity of the design. With a steady stream of clients, this can quickly add up to a significant income. To learn thumbnail design and find customers effectively, start by familiarizing yourself with the basic graphic design principles, such as color theory, typography, and compositions. Online courses and YouTube tutorials can be invaluable resources for building your skills. Once you feel confident in your abilities, create a portfolio showcasing your best work. This will serve as a powerful marketing tool when reaching out to potential clients. Utilizing social media platforms, freelance websites, and online communities to promote your services and connect with content creators in need of thumbnail design. Network within these spaces can lead to valuable opportunities and referrals in the future. Consider offering your services at a discounted rate initially to build up your client base and gather testimonials. By following these steps, you can effectively tap into the growing demand for high-quality YouTube thumbnails and turn your design skills into a profitable venture. Number 2, generating blogs using AI for businesses is an innovative approach that can significantly enhance the content marketing strategies. One of the key aspects of an effective content creation is the importance of producing targeted content tailored to different stages of the marketing funnel. By understanding the needs and the pain points of your potential customers at each stage, awareness, consideration, and decision, businesses can create relevant blog posts that resonate with their audiences. AI tools can assist in the process by analyzing data and generating content that aligns with specific keywords, and topics, ensuring that the material is not only engaging but also strategically positioned to drive conversions. Start with AI blog generation is both low cost and low effort, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to enhance their content marketing without breaking the bank. Many AI writing tools such as Copy.ai and Pseudo-Write offer affordable subscription plans that allow users to generate high-quality blog posts quickly. This means that businesses can produce a steady stream of content without the need for extensive writing resources or expertise. The ease of use with these tools also mean that even those with minimal technical skills can create compelling articles, allowing companies to focus their efforts on other critical areas of their operations. To maximize earnings through AI-generated blogs, it's essential to implement effective strategies for finding clients. Start by building a portfolio, showcasing your AI-generated content, highlighting the benefits of using AI for blog generation, such as speed, cost effectiveness, and the ability to produce SEO-optimized articles. Networking within online communities, attending industry events, and leveraging social media platforms can help you connect with potential clients who are seeking content solutions. You also want to offer free trials or discounted rates for your initial clients to demonstrate the value of your services and to build solid reputations. Number 3, create a successful YouTube channel without being on camera is an increasingly popular approach that allows individuals to share their passion and expertise while maintaining their privacy. Faceless YouTube channels can be incredibly lucrative, and with potential of earnings ranging from a few $100s to a few $1,000s per month. Depending on factors such as niche, audience engagement, and monetization strategies, the key to success lies in producing high-quality content that resonates with your viewers. To get started, you'll need some essential tools, including video editing software like CapCut or Final Cut Pro, voiceover software for narration, and graphic design tools like Canva for creating engaging thumbnails and visuals. One of the most critical aspects of creating compelling videos is the art of storytelling and script writing. Even without appearing on camera, you can captivate your audience by crafting engaging narratives that draw them in. A well-structured script not only helps convey your message clearly, but also keeps viewers interested throughout the video. Focus on developing a strong hook at the beginning to grab attention, followed by a clear progression of ideas and a satisfying conclusion that encourages viewers to take action, whether that's subscribing, liking, or sharing your content. To build a faceless YouTube channel, start by selecting a niche that you are passionate about and that has a potential audience. Research trending topics within the niche to identify what viewers are interested in. Once you have a clear focus, create a content plan that outlines your video ideas, ensuring that each piece aligns with your overall theme. Consistency is key, so aim to upload videos regularly, whether that's weekly or bi-weekly, to keep your audience engaged. As you create and upload videos, pay attention to analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. YouTube provides valuable insights into viewer behavior, including watch time, click-through rates, and audience demographics. Using this data to iterate and improve your content over time, experiment with different formats, styles, and topics to see what resonates best with your audience. Engaging with your viewers through comments and social media can also provide feedback and foster a sense of community around your channel. Building a successful faceless YouTube channel is entirely achievable with the right tools, storytelling techniques, and a commitment to continuous improvement. By focusing on quality content and understanding your audience, you can create a thriving channel that generates income while allowing you to remain behind the scenes. Number 4, build websites for businesses using AI tools is increasingly valuable service, especially as small businesses recognize the necessity for having an online presence. The demand for websites among small businesses is soaring as they seek to reach wider audiences, enhance their credibility, and drive in sales. With the right approach, web developers can tap into this market, potentially earning anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per project, depending on the complexity and the features required by the client. Starting a website, building ventures using AI tools is both low cost and requires minimum level of effort. Many AI-driven platforms such as Riplet, Design.com, and Bolt.ai, just to name a few, offer user-friendly interfaces that simplify the web design process. These tools often come with templates and a drag-and-drop feature, allowing even those with minimal technical skills to create professional-looking websites. The initial investment is typically limited to the subscription fee, For these platforms, making it accessible for aspiring web designers and developers. The time commitment can be manageable, especially when leveraging AI tools that automate various aspects of the design process. The time commitment can be manageable, especially when leveraging AI tools that automate various aspects of the design process. To effectively showcase your skills and attract clients, begin by building a portfolio that highlights your best work. Create a simple sample website using AI tools to demonstrate your capabilities. These examples should reflect a variety of styles and functionalities to appeal to different types of businesses. Consider focusing on specific niches, such as restaurants, e-commerce, or service providers to position yourself as an expert in those areas. Once your portfolio is ready, utilize social media platforms, freelance websites, and local business networks to promote your services. Engaging with small business communities online can help you identify potential clients who may be seeking website solutions. Also consider offering free consultation or discounted rates for your first few clients to build reputations, relationships, and gather testimonials. Positive reviews can significantly enhance your credibility and attract more business. Networking is also crucial in this space. Attending local business events, workshops, and online webinars to connect with entrepreneurs who may be in need of your services. Building relationships with other professionals, such as graphic designers or digital marketers, can lead to referrals and collaboration opportunities. And number 5, starting an AI automation agency is an excellent and lucrative opportunity in today's rapidly evolving business landscape. As companies increasingly seek ways to enhance efficiency and reduce operational costs, the demand for automation solution has surged. By automating business processes, organizations can streamline their operations, improve productivity, and ultimately increase their profitability. This presents a significant potential for high earning for those who can provide effective automation services. Depending on the complexity of the projects and the size of the clients, automation agencies can charge anywhere from a few $1,000s to tens of thousands of dollars per project, making it a high rewarding venture. If you're thinking of doing this, it's essential to develop a specific set of skills that will enable you to create and implement automation solutions effectively. Key skills include a solid understanding of AI technologies, programming languages such as Python and JavaScript, and familiarities with automation tools like Zapier and UiPath. Also, having a grasp on business processes and workflows will help you identify areas where automation can add value. To get started, consider taking online courses or certifications in AI and automation, which are widely available on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning. Engaging with online communities and forums can also provide valuable insights and support you as you learn. As you build your expertise, it's crucial to create case studies that showcase your skills and the impact of your automation solutions. Case studies serve as a powerful marketing tool that demonstrates your abilities to solve real-world problems and deliver tangible results. Start by identifying small projects or volunteering to automate processes for local businesses or nonprofits. Document the challenges faced, the solutions you implemented, and the outcomes achieved. This not only helps you gain practical experiences, but also provides you with concrete examples to share with your potential clients. When you have a few case studies ready, leverage them in your marketing efforts. Create a professional website that highlights your services, showcases your case studies, and includes testimonials from satisfied clients. Utilize social media platforms and professional networks like LinkedIn to connect with business owners who may benefit from your automation services. Networking within industry-specific groups can also lead to valuable referrals and partnerships. There are also ready-made AI tools you can use that are already built for AI agent workflows. If you want to get started super quick, just Google AI agent tools and you'll find a number of them that you can use. As we explored 5 effective ways for beginners to make money with AI, emphasizing the immense potential that AI offers in today's digital landscape, just pick one and start. The hardest part is starting. So once you do that, you'll build the confidence to keep going and create something massive for the world to see. Thanks for watching. Stay dangerous, my friends.